If you're facing foundation issues, picking the right contractor matters. Some might press you into really costly repairs. Others might be really cheap, but leave you with the worst problem down the road. The biggest question you're asking yourself right now is, how do you pick someone you can really, truly trust with your biggest investment, your home? I'm Austin with Anchor Foundation Repair, and we've been serving the Brazos Valley area since 1985. We've seen what works and what doesn't. Over time, we've developed a tried and true best practice in order to find a reliable contractor every time. Here's what you can do in order to determine if the contractor you're speaking with might be the right one for you. Number one, ask, how long have you been in business? Obviously, a company that's been around a long time has had time to build trust in the community. If you haven't been around that long, then maybe not the right company to go with. But if they got a lot of experience like us, who've been here 40 years, speaks a lot. Number two, are they local? Is it someone that's from the Bryan-College Station area? A company that knows our soils, knows our homes, knows our climate. Those are guys that are gonna be able to better understand what's going on with your home. A guy out of Houston or Dallas, yeah, maybe, but really the best way to go is local, because those guys know better what's going on every day here in Bryan-College Station. Number three, and probably one of the biggest ones, do they offer a warranty? It should be clear as day if a company does not offer any kind of warranty that it is best to walk away. Guys that have a good warranty, like ours here at Anchor Foundation Repair, we know and believe and trust in our work. If they don't have a warranty, it is best to walk away. What should you do from here? Well, we understand you may not live here local in Bryan-College Station area, but it's best to ask any contractor you're speaking with at least these three questions. See what their answers are, see how they reply. If they hesitate or give you a weird, funky answer, time to take a step back and really dive into what are they saying, if they're saying anything at all. Of course, there are always more than just three questions that you can ask any contractor. And to help out with that, we're gonna put a link down below in the description that is 15 questions you should be asking any foundation repair contractor before they work on your home.